J635 patungong Puerto Princesa. Kung hindi ito ang inyong tamang lipad, maaari po lamang na tawagin ang pansin ng inyong cabin crew. Mangyari na ilagay ang inyong dala-dalahan sa ulo ng kompartimento o sa ilalim ng upuan sa harapan ninyo. Kung kailangan ninyo ang aming tulong, huwag po kayong magatubiling kami ay tawagin. Maraming salamat po.
Muntik pa maiwan.
Hello everyone, good morning. This is your first officer speaking. Welcome aboard Flight 5J635 bound to Puerto Princesa. Our flight time is approximately 1 hour and we'll be cruising at an altitude of 34,000 feet. Weather en route is forecasted to be fair. Puerto Princesa weather updates shall be reported prior to our descent. Your safety and comfort is always our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to the announcement from the flight deck and the cabin crew. Your usual patience, full cooperation, and compliance are highly appreciated. Please do not hesitate to call on the attention of our cabin crew should you require further assistance or clarification on this important measure. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
May we request all our guests to kindly take their
Tama ka.
or about to close the main cabin door. Thank you.
Sa dulo pala tayo. Pinakadulo tayo.
Yung trolley niyo po dito na. Okay na yun, sir? Yung bag, sir, dito.
Pa, dito ang bag, oh. Pa, dito yung bag.
Sir,
Ito.
card under the seat na lang. Ano seat number, sir?